an entire sweater in 24 hours. Like, I do like it this way. I'm so happy. Let's go. Hello you guys, welcome back to today's video. Today I decided to make a little different video since I haven't made a crochet related video in a while, actually in a long time. So I decided I'll make it. I haven't been crocheting much recently. I thought I'll make a video because making videos just pushes me to be more productive and actually get the things done. So for today's video, I'm going to challenge myself to crochet a sweater, an entire sweater in 24 hours. Well, that's going to be extremely hectic. I can already feel it. I remember I made my first sweater in 12 days and my hands were in pain. In 24 hours, I do not know how I'm gonna do it, but we will do it, okay? But I can't strain myself too much, so if it's hurting too much, I will have to stop. But let's see, I will do my best to finish this. I'm gonna do like a little cropped sweater. These are a few sweater inspo pics. So it's 4:30 p.m. right now. This challenge will end tomorrow 4:30 p.m. if I start right now. Gotta get those hands prepped because I've had to work a lot. Let's start and let's see how much we can do. I bought 5 yarns of each color. I was thinking I'm gonna do 1 row of triple crochet followed by 1 row of double crochet, and then I'm gonna change the color and do the same. I'm using an 8mm yarn. I'm gonna try to finish at least the front row by today. I'm not giving up, that's all I know. Rest, we'll figure that out. Okay, I really need coffee, so I'm gonna make coffee and we're gonna crochet after that while watching something. Guys, I've been crocheting like entire evening and currently it's 10:30. I've made the front panel, so this is the front panel. My hands are in pain. I still need to do the back panel, then attach it, and then do the 2 sleeves. I don't know if I'll be able to finish that. I have college tomorrow, so I need to sleep. Good morning guys, it's the next day. And currently it's like 6:20. I woke up, I have college, so I'm gonna crochet like a little bit before going, so let's do it. I really can't function without a candle in the morning. See you guys later. Hello you guys, so I just came back home from college and I haven't been able to crochet all day because of college, obviously. It's currently 3:20 p.m. I was supposed to finish this challenge by 4:30 today, and there's no way I'll be able to crochet the entire thing in 15 minutes. So I think it's only fair if I exclude the college timing out of the 24 hours. Last I crocheted in morning around 6:30 to 7. After that I left for college and I just came back home at like 3. That is 8 hours. So I think it's only fair if I increase the deadline by 8 hours, which is, if the deadline was 4:30, that means I have till 12:30 p.m. to finish this sweater. Gotta hustle, guys. Let's go. Hello you guys, so I've been crocheting for a while now and I've made this much, 4 rows. I'm on my 4th row, the 4th row isn't complete. I made 9 rows for the other panel and I'm gonna make 8 rows for this one, so I'm on my 4th row. Let's finish this while we talk about my crochet journey a little bit, though no one asked. So I started crocheting last December, 2022 December. It was just kind of like a random hobby I picked up on. You can say I picked crocheting as a distraction, but I didn't know I would love it this much. And I am glad I learned it because now I can make my own clothes. I've made so many clothes for me. And I also do sell my crochet stuff, so if you do want any of my crochet items, or I also make customizations, so if you want anything, please DM me on my Instagram. The link is in the description. So go ahead if you want anything. I don't know, I had this image in my head where I saw crochet things like, I made my own crochet clothes and that was a very happy moment for me. So I think that was the moment when I thought, okay, I will pick up crochet as my new hobby. My grandma crochets, so I asked her to teach me. One day she tried to teach me and probably got impatient because I didn't know anything, obviously, and I couldn't understand anything. You need a lot of patience to crochet something. Like, you see, one by one you go with chain and then you make an entire cloth. So there's like a lot of patience you need to crochet something, right? Yeah, it's a good activity to learn for everyone. I basically learned crocheting a little bit from my grandma and mostly from YouTube because YouTube is the best teacher. We all gotta agree on that. I just felt like talking to you guys for a bit, basically talking to myself because I'm looking at myself talking to the camera. I will say I don't talk much in general, but I do talk a lot, and a lot means a lot. When I feel good with someone, I feel comfortable with someone. It's really a matter of fact if that person is able to create a safe and non-judgmental place for me. If you see me with like my best friend, I do talk non-stop. So that's the thing, if I'm comfortable with someone, I do talk a lot. Like, I'm comfortable talking to the camera because I know you guys don't judge me. Of course you don't, that's why you're watching my video. And even if you do, I don't really care because you're giving me views. Even if you watch my videos again and again just to judge me, I don't care because you're giving me views. And I just want to express gratitude towards you guys. We have been able to build a community of over 2,000 people, which is, I know it's not, 2,000 subscribers is not that big of a sum, but well, 2,000 people is, if you see it that way, a lot. So I'm grateful for each and one of you. Each and one of you watching this video. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe and become a part of this community. And those who are already subscribed, grateful to you guys. My hands hurt a lot, but I really do want to finish this. I love challenges and I don't want to fail, okay? I'll update you guys after finishing this panel. Guys, so this is the progress on the top. I am only left with the sleeves. I'm done with the body. I like it though. Like, I do like it this way. But let's make the arms. Hey guys, it's 12:30 right now. As I said, I'll end the challenge at 12:30. Was able to crochet one arm. I still have one arm left. I do not have any energy right now to crochet anymore. I'm just gonna sleep. I'm gonna crochet the other arm tomorrow and I'll show you guys the final result. Good night for now. Guys, it's the next day and my sweater is finally done. I'm so happy. I haven't tried it on yet, so I'm gonna try it on and show you guys how it looks. I'm literally so happy about the way it turned out, guys. I haven't blocked it yet, so it's gonna stretch out a little more if I block it. It turned out better than I imagined, and I did this today morning, and yeah, this is the sweater, guys. Alright, I'll end the video now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want more crochet videos and also tell me how I did. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!